Scrum down. We wait for the scrum to reset. Kahurangi Delamere at halfback for Hamiltarangi. 4 minutes gone in this first half. Kindly ball. A big shunt there from Whanganui as they turn the ball over at scrum time. Out now to Kauika. Kauika spins it wide out to Rennie. Counter ruck here, but Barrett plucks it out. They come back through the backs. That's Ma. Gets the pass away inside the 22 here. Whanganui on attack. Barrett plucks it out. Gives it out to Hunt. Hunt out to Naunga. They spin it wide. They've got numbers here. Comes out to Chambers. Out to the right winger. Heading for the line. That was Brooklyn Walker. Stopped just shy of the line here. Whanganui on attack. Hot and early in this first half. They get the pass away. Numbers out wide if they can spin it here. Ngāti Pro scamper across there to try and cover it, but look at the numbers. That was a forward pass. Or knock on there, but the referee says offside, I think, against Ngāti Pro. Penalty here, just outside the 6 metre, outside the 5 metre mark. Shot at goal called here by Whanganui. It'll be Ayrton with the first opportunity at points for the day. Penalty attempt here from about, what's that, about 15 metres out. Just to the left of the post as we look at it. Whanganui, that when they shifting their ball wide, they certainly look dangerous. Ayrton lining up the first opportunity at points here. Penalty shot. The flags go up 3-0. Whanganui will take the lead early in this one. Just looking at the time gone, we have 6 minutes gone in this first half. Penalty goal to Ayrton. Goldsmith about to get us back underway here. Goldsmith sends it long. Taken back there by the first 5. I think that was Martin. They come wide. It looks to have been lost forward here. It'll be a Hamiltarangi scrum feed. Midway between Whanganui's 10 metre and their 22. An attacking scrum feed here for Hamiltarangi. There must be a setting in our system somewhere that's causing us to have all of this lag going on the Facebook, because speeds are great. Scrum down. Delamere to feed the scrum. Ball in. That's a better scrum there. Quick ball out to Goldsmith. Looking for runners. Out now to Kopa. Kopa chucks a long pass. It bounces kindly for Kopu. Kopu straightens up the middle. Takes play, 5 out from the 22. They get over the top of this. Delamere having a look at their options. They go back to Goldsmith. Goldsmith puts a little chip through. Chase is coming. Will it beat them over the sideline? Whanganui get there. Oh, nice step there by the left winger. That was Rennie, who gets pushed over the sideline though. It'll be a Hamiltarangi line-out throw crossing that far corner. Line out coming, attacking line out here for Hamiltarangi. They go high to Rangihuna. They look to set up the drive here. They get it going forward now. What's the ref say? Still going forward as Hamiltarangi. They break blind though. That was Morgan White. The referee's got advantage here for Hamiltarangi. They come open to Goldsmith. She spins it out wide to Wharehinga. Wharehinga straightens up the middle, looking for a runner. Back now out to, this is Whaiora. Referee still playing advantage, I think. It's there for Delamere. Rangihuna at first receiver. Takes the ball into contact. It's there for Delamere again. They go out to, that's Whakataka. Whakataka gains a couple of meters. They go out to Hoa Kahaki Rei. Hitting a good tackle. Referee said advantage over there. He's penalised Hamotarangi, who looked like they got a little bit isolated. Must have been a knock-on advantage. This will allow Ayrton to get it out of the red zone here. Safely into touch, about 4 or 5 meters outside her 22 on that far side of the field. We apologise to our Facebook viewers because we are not sure what's going on here, because we have checked everything. We've got good speeds, really good internet speeds, and we are lagging, so apologies. It's been tapped down on the Hamotarangi side. Referee will say no advantage. They'll go back for a knock-on. It'll be a scrum feed for Hamotarangi. About 6-7 meters outside Whanganui's 22, right on the 15-meter mark. That wind is definitely coming from the east, a bit of a southeast. Big shunt from Whanganui as Delamere plucks it out to Goldsmith. They give it out the back to Kopa. Whaiora looking for runners. Gets taken in a good tackle, not held though. It's there for Goldsmith. Delamere gets it under pressure. Spins out of the first tackle. Stays in touch, in field though. It's there for, that was Korpu to play halfback. Wharehinga gets in there for a hit up. Wharehinga taken down about 4 out from the 22. They go out to Goldsmith again. Goldsmith looking for Whakataka. Whakataka charges up the middle. They look to recycle it. Out to Goldsmith again. Goldsmith. I think that was Ranapia standing out wide there. It's been turned over though. Whanganui come away with the ball. Barrett goes back to the far side. They get the pass away to Talawandua, who puts a kick in. Tracking back there is Kopa. Whaiora comes down the sideline. Still going is Kopa. Over the halfway up to the 10-meter line. They need a halfback. Delamere gets there now. They spin it open. It's been lost forward though. Referee's playing advantage though. I think there was something happened in the ruck over there. High tackle, I think, on Whaiora. Penalty on the 10-meter line on that far side of the field. About 6 meters in from touch. Goldsmith puts it safely into touch. Line out here for Hamotarangi. They go high, it's tapped down, it gets back to Delamere now, out to Goldsmith, looking for runners. She's got, that's Grant, Alize Grant charges into the opposition, still going up towards the 22. They look to drive over the top of this, they need a halfback now. Ranapia gets there, has to take it into contact, gets the pass away to Parata. It's there for Ranapia again, out now to Goldsmith, little pass up to Mangu. Mangu down on the 22. It's there for Ranapia, comes back, little chip through from Goldsmith. End over end in the in goal, it'll beat everyone over the sideline. It'll be a defensive line out coming for Whanganui. 7 metres out from their corner flag. Talawandua with the throw. They go high at the back. It's gone over the top to Kahaki Hoa. Kahaki Rei charging at the line. Can she get it down? What's the ref say? Held up. No, try given. It was seen by the touchy in the corner. Watch for the replay here. Try given. Hamoterangi will answer back. We'll watch the replay. An overthrow here by Whanganui, right over the back of the line out to Charlie Hoa. Kahaki Rei with an open line, manages to get the ball down. Ref was unsighted, but the touchy was able to get the message to him. 5 points to 3 with the kick to come. Charlie Hoa, Kahaki Rei. I think that's her 21st game, I think. I think she celebrated 20 games the other week. Or maybe 22nd game in a sky blue jersey. Goldsmith will attempt this from about 6 metres inside the 22. She's a couple of metres outside the 15-metre mark. She comes in, she strikes, it curls nicely, increases the lead out to 7 points to 3. Oh, we're going backwards on the old scoreboard. Tairāwhiti Contracting scoreboard. Successful conversion there from Renadine Goldsmith. You can hear that wind. It's coming straight into our commentary booth. As Ayrton will get us back underway here. We're going to chuck a full copy of this game up. We are recording. As soon as this is finished, we'll get it up onto YouTube for you. Apologies to our Whanganui viewers as they bring it back towards the 10-metre line here. Delamere gives it out now to Whakataka. Whakataka to Mangu. Mangu looking for runners. She's got Wharehinga. Wharehinga straightens up. Wharehinga back to Mangu. Out now to Goldsmith. Away to Kupa. Out to her sister. This is Dana Kupa down the sideline. She comes back infield. Oh, nice work there by Taylor Barrett. Over the top there for Whanganui to get the ball. Penalty to Whanganui. Oh my goodness. We've had great speeds on this internet test. I'm testing it again now. Apologies to our listeners while we try and sort out the hiccups we are having in the background on our Facebook stream. That kick safely into touch. Whanganui will get a line out right on the halfway here, down in front of the grandstand. They go quickly. Yeah, oh, it's lost forward. It was almost regathered there, but just at the end, a little knock on by Whanganui. And it will be a Hamoterangi scrum feed. Yeah, we'll get a copy of this full uninterrupted recording of this up as soon as we can after this game. Apologies. Delamere to feed this scrum. 5 metres in from touch on this near side of the field, right on the halfway line. You can see it down the barrel of our camera. Big shunt from Whanganui. It comes out the back though for Delamere. Gets it out to Goldsmith, who juggles it. It'll give away a, and unfortunately knocks it on. It'll give away a scrum feed here to Whanganui. And there's a concern here for the lock from, she's back to her feet though. It was Morgan White. I know our Facebook viewers will not be liking this. That's why we told the locals to come to the game. And they are here in force. We weren't expecting to have issues though. We've thought we have sorted those, so apologies. An attacking scrum here for Whanganui. They're outside the Hamoterangi 10-metre line, 15 metres in from touch. Barrett to feed the scrum, ball in, it spills out the back. She sends it out to, that's Martin. They go wide again. It gets out to to Whanarere, Osborne Whanarere. Barrett goes for a little run. Held up here by, referee's playing advantage, was held up by Goldsmith. They need a halfback as Rennie gets in there to play halfback. They look to get the pass away. Referee says no advantage. That was knock on. They'll go back for a penalty against Hamiltarangi. High tackle is the call. Whanganui will get to push this one into touch. Oh, beautiful kick there. They'll move into a good attacking position. 15 out from the corner flag. Just watching how many walk in. Looks like the whole forward pack is walking in. Full line out called. Out from the corner. You can hear us in the background trying to sort out our Facebook issues as this line out is taken. Cleanly there by Whanganui. They set up the maul. It's going sideways. Now it goes to ground. It's there for Barrett. She plucks it out. They give it out. They spin it out wide. That's the left wing Rennie who's come across. Gets the pass away. Back to Koika, the danger lady. Koika looks to free up her right winger. Walker, sorry. The referee says the ball's gone forward there. We've got all sorts of issues going on in here. We're trying to keep out of the wind as well as work on our Facebook feed because apologies. I'll stop apologising. I'm sure everybody's quite aware that they're having issues. Defensive scrum here for Hamiltarangi. They've been under the pump at scrum time. Whanganui have bulked up their forward pack this week. A couple of positional changes. Scrum down. Referee will blow it up. Not happy with the set. Reset of the scrum here. They're about 3 or 4 metres outside their 5 metre line. Ball in from Delamere. It's there at the back. The pressure comes from Whanganui. It goes out to Mangu though. Mangu sets it up. Delamere. She's got Parata at first receiver. It goes back to Goldsmith though, who will look for touch. Gets it safely into touch. There's some work here to try and get our mic out of the wind here. Attacking line out here for Whanganui. Full line out called. Nope. They drop one to halfback. They look at the front. Trick play here. Ngāti Porou, Hamiltarangi though, look to try and turn this over. Have they? Still there for Whanganui as Barrett plucks it out. Across to, that's Ma. Taking in a good tackle. Barrett though with quick ball again. They spin it out to Koika. She gets it across to Rennie. Sorry, not Rennie. Osborne Whanarere. Referee playing advantage here. That's Rennie with the ball now. It's been ripped off her, but the referee will say no advantage. Penalty here to Whanganui. About 10 metres out from the Hamiltarangi line. What's the call here from Whanganui? Do they look for touch? Or they last week they just tapped and ran it. None of that today. So Ayrton will look for touch in that far corner. An attacking line out coming here. 5 metre attacking line out coming for Whanganui. There's a change already. Asiata has come on. Who has she replaced? Crystal Asiata replacing Morgan White. Oh, that might be a blood bin. Morgan White, a bit of blood, a bit of claret on the jersey there. Taken in by Whanganui. They look to get the drive on here. It's still moving forward, inching forward. Can they get it down? They go at the line, do they? What's the ref say? It's there for Barrett. She spins it out. They get it out the back to Martin. Oh, nice run here. They look to get it away, though. It's gone backwards. Play on, says the referee. It's a knock on there by Hummel, though. First one by Whanganui. Lost in the tackle, I think. It'll be a defensive scrum feed here for Hamoterangi. They are about 8 metres out from their goal line. Roughly 10 metres to this near side of the post. Delamere will feed the scrum. She's got Mangu at first receiver. Ball in. It's at the back for Delamere. Big shunt from Whanganui, though. Looked like that halfback was offside, but play on, says the referee. No, he plays advantage now. I don't think the ball was out before she come around. Mangu plays halfback. Goldsmith will come blind here. She'll put it into touch, but there'll be no advantage. Well, not quite into touch. Penalty here to Hamoterangi. Offside is the call. Taylor Barrett there just going a little bit early. This will allow Renadine Goldsmith to look for touch here. Puts it safely into touch. Still inside the red zone though. Mariah Green with the line out throw. They drop a couple of forwards out here. Short line out called. They go to the front to Paratos. Gets it down to Delamere. Out now to Grant. Grant steps the first tackle. Driving it up towards the 22. It's been ripped off her. Play on, says the referee. Comes out the back to Goldsmith. Goldsmith to Mangu. Mangu back to Goldsmith. They've got numbers here. Out to that's Wharehinga. Now to Kopa. Kopa's got Korpu with her. It's gone out though. The pass didn't go to hand. It'll be a Whanganui line out across on that far side of the field. They're about, 15 metres inside Hamoterangi territory. Hamoterangi leads 7-3 if you just joined us on Te Reo Irirangi o Ngāti Pro on the radio. Quick ball taken and spun out through to, they spin it wide, that's Kauika I think. No, referee's got advantage here to Whanganui as Chambers takes it up. Quick ball from Barrett. They spin it down this near side to the left winger, that's Rennie. He's across on the right wing. They go back infield to Naunga. Gets the pass away to Ma. She's taken just down on the 22. No advantage, says the referee. He'll go back for a penalty. This one here, right out in front of the post, about 6 metres outside Hamoterangi's 10-metre line. So wait for the ball here. They call for a scrum. Whanganui call for a scrum. They have got the upper hand at scrum time. Midfield scrum. Whanganui ball. A little bit of a blind to that far side of the field. It's a beautiful day, but it's quite chilly up here in the commentary booth. Barrett feeds the scrum. It's at the back. She comes open. They work it out. I think that was the number 12 standing at first receiver. It's bounced kindly, though, for Walker. She steps back infield. Referee playing advantage here for Whanganui. Barrett. She's got Hunt at first receiver. Sorry, that's the number 8. Thompson. They get the pass away, though. Through the hands. Out now to the left winger, Rennie. So referee still playing advantage. They set it up inside the 22. Barrett looking for the ball. Comes back to the number 1, Mackenzie Mason. Through the hands out to Ma. They've got numbers here. Ma still going. Ma into the 22. Gets the pass away. It's picked off by Asiata though, but the referee was playing. That's a long advantage. Comes all the way back to the near the 10-meter line. Penalty here to Whanganui. As Ayrton will look for touch down this near side of the park. Puts it safely into the 22 here. An attacking line now coming for Whanganui again. 10 metres out this time. Substitution. Oh, there's that Bloodbin coming back. That's Morgan White. Change of jersey. Talawandua with the throw. They go high. It's taken down by Ma. It's been lost forward though as Delamere comes away with it. Delamere drags a couple of metres out of it. They need a halfback. Green plays halfback. Gives it out now to Grant. Grant goes for a little run. Gets out of one tackle. It's gone backwards. Kahaki Hauarei gets it to Goldsmith, but the referee says no advantage. They'll come back for a scrum. This one here. About 6 metres, 7 metres in from touch. About 10, 11 metres out from the Hamoterangi goal line. Delamere just waiting for the referee to call the 2 forward packs in. Delamere, referee says no, we'll have this again. He's not happy with that set. Reset of the scrum here. Referee calls them in. Ball in. It's there for Delamere. Got Goldsmith at first receiver. Goldsmith gives it to Wharehinga. Wharehinga steps out of one tackle. Drags a couple of players with her towards the 22. They look to go quickly out to Goldsmith, who puts the kick in. Korpu chasing this. It's bounced. Bounced off a Whanganui player, being kept in play here by Alexis Korpu. Whanganui tracking back for this one. They knock it backwards. Korpu's back there. Korpu's back there. Oh, nice scramble play here from Whanganui as they work it out. They get the pass out now. A little bit of space here opening up for the right winger. That's Brooklyn Walker up over the halfway. Quick ball from Barrett. Barrett going for a little run. Here's the halfback. Up towards the 22. Kopa looking to rip the ball off her. Nice work there from the Whanganui halfback. They look to try and get it out of there. They've got numbers out wide if they can spread this. It's drags a couple of Whanganui players with it over the line, and just pure strength to get that ball down. Goldsmith will have the opportunity here at the extra points to try and bring the score back to 14. 17-12 with the kick to come, and I'd say that's half time. Goldsmith lines this one up. She's about 18 out. She strikes it. It curls before the post, though. Score remains 17-12. That's half time here at Whakarua Park. We'll take a little bit of a break, and we'll be back with your second half shortly. No more hoki mai e te iwi. Second half, not far away from kickoff. Tried to do our best to sort out this internet feed for you. Apologies to our viewers across on the other side of Whanganui who couldn't get across to the East Coast to watch this in person. Not something that we as a live stream crew love, is seeing it lag. So we do apologise, and we will try and get a full copy of this game up for you after this this evening. We're about to get back underway here. Whanganui lead 17 points to 12. Just waiting for the referee now. It will be Ireton to get us underway again. Alice Ireton. Whanganui with the kickoff this time. Referee says time on. They let it bounce. It's gone out on the full though, sorry. Went out on the full before it bounced. Just a little bit too far on the kick there from Ireton. We'll restart with a scrum at halfway. We are having issues with our internet here. I can see it fluctuating in the background, but as the scrum sets at the halfway, ball in. I think there's been a change as Teddy comes on for halfback. Referee's got a penalty though against Homoterangi. Screwing the scrum there. Looks like Kahurangi Delamere has been replaced by Nico Teddy. Whanganui will call for a reset of the scrum. We'll have a reset here. Whanganui ball. They split the back line with most of them coming out to this near side. Brooklyn Walker across on the far side by herself. Now she sneaks in behind the scrum here. Barrett comes out to this near side to Martin. Martin, skip pass here out. Oh, it's been lost forward though. In the tackle there. And she looked to slip the pass away to one of her supporting players. It'll be a Homoterangi scrum feed just inside Whanganui territory, about 8 metres in from this near side of touch. If you Whanganui viewers or anyone's got the Whare Kōrero app, we are across the radio as well. Radio Ngāti Pro on the Whare Kōrero app. So Nico Teddy has come on to replace Kahurangi Delamere. (17-12) as we wait for the scrum to be fed. Ball in. Teddy plucks it out to Goldsmith. She has to wait for it. Back to Mangu. Mangu on the cut here. Mangu puts a little chip in. Bounces nicely there for Rennie, who puts the boot back downfield. Tracking back for this is Kopa. Gets a nice bounce. Brings it back towards the 10-metre line. Oh, gets hit in a good tackle there as well. Counter ruck here. Oh, it might have been a high tackle, says the referee. They go open. Goldsmith throws the pass, but it's gone forward. Referee will come back for the penalty. About 12 metres inside Homoterangi territory. That wind's starting to pick up here. Scrum called by Hamiltarangi. I thought they might have stayed away from the scrums because Whanganui definitely having the upper hand. You can see they've, I think that's Mackenzie Mason has gone to lock. I'm sure that's who played number 8 last week. The names are wrong. Scrum down, 12 metres inside Hamiltarangi territory. Ball in from Teddy. Parata comes blind. Gets the pass away to Wharehinga. Back to Goldsmith. It's there for Teddy again. Comes back to Ranapia. I don't think she was expecting that. Sets it up though. Goldsmith is down injured as Teddy. Sorry, that's, yeah, that is Teddy. Goes for a little run. Throws the dummy. They need a halfback. Mangu gets in there. Comes open to Hoa Kahakirei. She throws the dummy. Drags it up towards the halfway. Teddy gets there now. They go out to Whakataka. Whakataka. Good tackle on her from the Whanganui lady. Referee's playing advantage there. Comes back. No advantage. Not rolling away is the call. They'd be better to just tap and go, I think, if they're going to have a scrum. Keep possession of the ball. Looks like Asiata is up and warming up on the sideline. There's Goldsmith. Not much distance on it, but it is safely into touch. Hamiltarangi line out throw. There is a change there. Whakataka comes off for Asiata. Green with the ball. Referee just wants a stoppage. Waiting for players to come off. He also wants the Whanganui team to move over. Green with the throw. She goes to Parata. Down to, it's gone straight to ground. Teddy has to spin out of that one. Gets a couple of metres though. Still going is Nico Teddy. Now she's taken to ground. They need a halfback. Hoa Kahakirei. No, that's Ranapia. Out now to Asiata. Asiata will straighten up. Throws the dummy. Drags it over the 10-metre line. Mangu has to get in there and play halfback. Wharehinga comes in for a run. Wharehinga steps back infield. Taken down on the 10-metre line though. It spills out the back for Mangu. Cross to Asiata. Asiata will straighten it up. Not going anywhere though. It's there for Mangu. She gets Whanganui players all over her as well. It's still there for Teddy now. Out now to Goldsmith. Puts a kick down the middle of the park. Tracking back for this is Rennie inside her 22. Gets an ugly bounce. It bounces kindly for her now. Brings it out of the 22. Chucks the pass to Ayrton, who had to reach for that one. Ayrton does well to stay on her feet till the support gets to her. Barrett sends it back infield. They set it up again. Barrett out now to Mackenzie Mason. Gets the pass away. They've got numbers here. Oh, it's been lost forward though. That last pass just not quite going to hand. It'll be a Hamiltarangi scrum feed midway between the 10-metre and 22 lines inside Whanganui territory. 5 metres in from touch. Substitutions here. I think that's Talawandua, is it? No, it's the other prop. I think that, wow. The name's wrong because it's got Mihipika Mackenzie Mason at number 1 on this team sheet. And I believe that's her playing lock. I'm sure that's the lady I interviewed last week before the kickoff, is playing lock. She was number 8 last week. So apologies to this lady who's just come off because Kareo Mohio Toingo, she got number 8 on. Tala Thompson. Teddy puts the ball in. Oh, big shunt here from Whanganui. They turn it over. Out now to Kauika. Kauika straightens up. Nearly goes through. Gets back to her feet. Not held though. It's there for Barrett. They look to go open. Ma has to wait for that one. Gets the pass away. Big tackle there. Still there for Whanganui though as Barrett plucks it out. Goes for a little run here. The little halfback. Up over the halfway. Still going. No support with her though. Comes back looking for support now. Korpu gets her. It's still there. 5 out from the 22. Mackenzie Mason takes it off the base of the ruck. Barrett and looking for the ball. It's there for her. They've got numbers out this near side. They go for a run through, well, it says number 1 is Mihi Picker, Mackenzie Mason, but that's not her. They come out to, that's Chambers. It's been taken off her, though, by Parata. They need a halfback. Teddy gets there now. Out now to Grant. Grant throws the dummy. Too many players in her way there. They set it up. They need a halfback. Teddy plucks it out, gives it out now to, that's Asiata, out now to Wharehinga from Mangu. Wharehinga, she's had a strong game, still going strong. Asiata does well to hang on to that, gets it away to Korpu. Korpu down the sideline. Korpu cuts back infield. Barrett does well to hang on to it, gets their feet, not held. Still going is Kopa, sorry, not Korpu. That's Dana Kopa. Might have been turned over. Referee says no. He's got advantage here for Hamoterangi as Rangihuna gets it. Rangihuna takes it down just shy of the halfway. They come open again. Out to Mangu. Out to Goldsmith. Goldsmith sends a long pass out. Bounces kindly here for Green. Green steps back infield. Gets it away to Grant now. Grant gets the pass back infield. Referee still playing advantage here. He'll go back. No advantage. Ladies haven't heard the whistle. Now they get told that the whistle is gone. They will come back for a penalty to Hamoterangi. A couple of metres shy of the halfway line. 17-12, no change to that halftime score. Whanganui lead. Goldsmith. Will she look for touch here? Or are they better to just tap and go? She's going to look for touch. Not into touch yet. Brought back by Rennie. Rennie with a strong run. Sorry, was that the right winger? Brooklyn Walker, sorry. They spin it out to Hunt. Hunt in the midfield. Goes down on the halfway line. Barrett gets the ball out to Sends it across to the far side. They let it bounce. It bounces kindly there for the number 4. Well, it says Ma. Oh, and I think Goldsmith's gone down after that kick. They spin it through the hands here. There's a new player on the park here. There's a couple of new players on there for Whanganui. It's there. They come blind. They set it up. 4 out, 5 out from their 10-metre line. They go back to Talawandua. Talawandua tucks it under the armpit and takes it forward. Barrett plucks it out quickly. Oh, it's that danger player again. Osborne, Whanawere. Throws the pass out to Rennie. Rennie steps back infield. Oh, she got... Rangihuna gets it. I thought she had gotten away there. It's there for Barrett. Quick ball. They've got numbers here. Ma with a run up the middle. Taken down, 10 out in front of the post here. Barrett looking for the ball. Referee's got advantage here. There'll be a penalty right in front of the post if nothing comes of this. They come blind again. It's been lost forward. Referee will have no option but to play advantage for offside against Hamoterangi. I think there's a shot at goal coming here. Only 5 points in it. This will push it out to 8. There's a stoppage in play here, says the referee, after 23 minutes. A couple of injuries. One is Ngāti Porou first 5. Goldsmith. She's been replaced by Delamere. So Ayrton will line up a shot here to extend her team's lead. 22-17. This will push it out to 8. Makes no mistake about it. (25-17) with that successful penalty to Alice Ayrton. They need a new kicker for Hamoterangi. There's a player in back play receiving treatment for Whanganui. They're not going to wait for her as Korpu sends it deep. Taken there by Rennie. Rennie brings it back towards the 10-metre line, hitting a solid wall of blue though. They go back to Martin. They spin it through the hands. Out to, that's Ma, taken in a good tackle. Counter ruck here from Hamoterangi. It's there for Barrett though. They go back open. Whanganui. Barrett plucks it out. Back to Martin. She sends it wide this time. Out now to, that's Rennie again on that far side. Oh, taking in a good tackle there. Quick ball as they come back infield. Talawandua in the midfield puts a chip in. Tracking back for this is Korpu, but this is Rennie on this side. Korpu gets there, gets taken over the sideline, throws the ball away. Watch out for that, might get a penalty. Threw the ball over the fence there. I don't think the ref was watching. Substitutions coming. That was number 14 across the other side, Brooklyn Walker. Whakataka coming on for Ranapia. An attacking line out here for Whanganui. Full line out. They go high, short play at the front. They look to get the pass away. It's been intercepted by Delamere though. She goes to ground. Turned over here by Hamoterangi. They go back to Taniora who puts the kick in. Gets it safely into touch under pressure. The pressure's not off fully though as Whanganui have another attacking line out. This one here, about 15 out from the corner flag. Talawandua throws it high. It's been taken here by, I think that's Rangihuna. Sorry, that might be... Referee's got a penalty. Is that... number 19 is on there for Hamoterangi is Crystal... No, I think this is Jocelyn Franklin out there. As Rangihuna puts it into touch. There's a couple of players out there wearing different numbers to what we were given. Line out here for Hamoterangi. Short line out called just outside their 22. Free kick here for Hamoterangi. Alize Grant wants it. Spins it out to Mangu. Mangu gets the pass away. It's been lost forward though, an attempted intercept by one of the Whanganui ladies. It'll be a scrum feed in the middle of the park for Hamoterangi. They are about 10 out from their 22, right in the middle of the park. Delamere goes back to halfback. I think Teddy's gone to the wing. Wait for the ref to call them in. Ball in. Big shunt there from Whanganui. Asiata plucks it off. Gets it away to Delamere. Delamere straightens up towards the 10-metre line. Referee's got... Well, I thought he was playing advantage there. It's still at the back of the ruck here for Hamoterangi. They go open to Asiata. Out now. They spin it wide. Out to Kopa. There's a child on the paddock. Whose child is that? Get him off the paddock. As it's been lost forward there. Here comes the mum. Look out, boy. If I was you, I'd keep running. As Whanganui bring it back through Talawandua. She's taken down 5 metres inside Hamoterangi territory. There's a hand on that ball and the referee says, you've got rights to it. Mum's got the boy now and he's off the park, thankfully. We'll just watch. He is getting dragged out the back now. I know he's been getting let go out into the play pen out the back outside the fence. Delamere with the ball. They look to tap it. They come back to this near side. Franklin going for a run. Drags it up towards the 10-metre line. Delamere gets there again. It's backdoor. Out wide. They go to Green. Green out to Kopa. Kopa stepping back infield. They hang on to her this time. It's there for Delamere again. Having a look at her options. Comes open. That's Whakataka. Throws the dummy. Referee playing advantage here. They come back to Franklin. Quick hands. That's been intercepted. They'll come back for a penalty offside against Whanganui. Penalty here midway between the 10-metre and 22 lines inside Whanganui territory. They're going to run it here. No, they're going to kick for touch. Tanio to look for touch here. Puts it safely into touch just outside the 22. Well, right on the 22 says the touchy. Time starting to run out for Hamoterangi. Only 9 minutes to go here. They'll need to be the next to score. Green with the throw. They go to Rangihuna. It's tapped down to Delamere. Might have been knocked on there. What's the referee say? Play on. As Hamoterangi drives. drive it into the 22. It's a maul. They get it back now, can they? Delamere. Referee's got a knock on in there. Little knock on. It'll be a scrum feed for for Whanganui. Defensive scrum feed. That's the turnover they want. This one here, right out on the 15-metre mark, a couple of metres inside the 22. Barrett to feed the scrum. Ball in. It's at the back here. She plucks it out. She gives it across to her first five, Martin. They look for a backdoor play. Whatahinga's up quickly, but she spins out of that tackle. It's been ripped off her though. Play on, says the referee. No, there's a penalty offside against Whanganui. Tap and go here by Grant, looking to catch them offside. They didn't look like they were back 10. The pick and go here from Whatahinga. Looking for her third. They hang on to her. Asiata gets it back to Whakataka. Whakataka gets the ground on the 5-metre line. They've got numbers here. Oh, Delamere goes for a little dart. Fighting to get to ground now. Referee says no advantage. They'll come back for the penalty. Penalty on the 5-metre line. Delamere looking at her options. Franklin wants it. Franklin driving at the line. Can she get it down? Held up. It'll be a goal line restart. Defence holding there for Whanganui. Ayrton will get things back underway. She's doing well to hang in there. You saw her limping last week. She's limping again today. It's going to bounce over the touchline and beat everyone into touch. It'll be a Hamoterangi line-out throw. About 12 out from the corner. They go high to Rangihuna. They look to set up the drive here. They get it working forward now. Green's got it at the back. It's come down. It's gone backwards, says the referee, as Delamere has a little run. They hang on to her, though. She breaks out of another tackle. Drags it 6 from the line. Korpu playing halfback. Out now to Mangu. Mangu sends it across to Taniora. Out to Whatahinga. Out to Kopa. Kopa heading for the line. Kopa, they won't stop her. Dana Kopa gives her team a chance. Brings the score back to 22-25 with the kick to come. Some nice work there from the Hamoterangi woman. You see Kopa there, the replay, just reaching over the line. Alexis Korpu will attempt this conversion from out wide. If we take a look at the time, there's about 5 minutes left, give or take. Remember, of course, referee, sole judge of time. It went down to the wire last week with a conversion that would have won the game. What are we going to see this week? She's been a cracker of a final. As Korpu comes in, she strikes. Unable to put it between the posts. 3 points in it. 25-22. Down to the wire again. You can hear the Nazis making some noise now. Try and bring their ladies home. Every man and his horse is here. Ayrton to get us back underway again. High kick. They let it bounce. It's going to bounce into touch here. It'll be a Hamoterangi line-out throw just outside their 22. They're going to have to go a long way to try and steal this one. Bit of a hui-hui going on just before the line-out throw. They go to the front. It's tapped down to Delamere. It's been tapped down from Whanganui hands. Is the referee playing advantage here as Hamoterangi try and recycle it. Delamere plucks it out to Mangu. Mangu across to, it's gone behind. Referee will say no advantage. They'll come back for a scrum. Lost forward of Whanganui. There's some substitutions coming here. Number 21 coming on is Kesia Singarasuru. She's replacing Ayrton, who's had a great game. Managed to stay out there after being injured last week. You could see her limping around. Scrum down. We all watch the ref here because he's the sole judge of time. Inside the Hamoterangi 22 by about 6 meters. Ball in. Big shunt there as Asiata plucks it off the back. Asiata throws the pass. It's tidied up there by Teddy, but she'll be pushed into touch. It'll be a Whanganui line-out throw. Trying to get our mic out of the wind here. Taloan do it with the line-out throw. They look to the front. It's been tapped down. It's been stolen by Rangihuna. Out now to Grant. Grant will straighten up. Alize Grant still going up towards the 10-meter line. They want quick ball. Referee's playing. Is he playing advantage here? They looked offside out wide as Taniora sets it up. Delamere goes to Mangu. Mangu sets it up again. Delamere looking at her options. Comes out to Wharehinga. Wharehinga across to, I think that's Morgan White. Delamere out now to Karaka. Karaka takes it into contact. Gains a few meters. It's there for Delamere again. Goes back to the far side to Asiata. Up towards the 10-meter line. Now out to Mangu. Mangu going for a run, looking for runners. It's gone backwards. Back there is Kopa to tidy up. Kopa, they hang on to her. Isolated, I think. Yes, there's a penalty there to Whanganui. Whanganui will slow this down as we work towards the end of the game. Just 3 points in it. Some of you will remember the big final a few years back here between Whanganui and Ngāti Pro. Is that full time? That's full time. Whanganui have taken this one, 25-22. They must have got the call from the referee who signalled that that time was up on the clock. Whanganui will take this one. What a great game of rugby. 25 points to 22. They'll be the crown, the North Island Women's Heartlands champions for 2025. Take nothing away from Hamoterangi. What a season our ladies have had. Unbeaten through the round robin and just coming up short here in the final today. Big mihi to our sponsors, of course, Parata Limited and Waihanga. We couldn't bring you this excitement without their sponsorship. Apologise to our Facebook viewers for our issues. We will get a full recording up of this game for you as soon as we can. Watch our Facebook page. Again, big mihi to my team, to the man Scooter behind the camera, Mahuta Morris. My name's Paul Brooking. And before we sign out, we've got a bit of a mihi from our sponsors, of course. Thank you to everyone for joining in. Congratulations again to Whanganui. Big ups to our Girls, though, they've had a great season.